Well, hello, little farmers. This is my granddaughter, Lynette, and we are she's going to help me do our lessons today, okay? So, we've already done this once, and I accidentally erased it. So we have to go through the whole thing again. Are you ready?
Yes.
How old are you, Lynette?
6.
She's 6 years old, and she is going to be my helper. So we're going to begin by singing our good morning song, even if it's not good morning to you. I mean, even if it's not morning for you guys right now, it might be afternoon or maybe even evening. We're still going to sing the good morning song. Are you ready? Okay, so let's put the flag down and we're going to do our good. Can you get your good arms ready? You ready? Good morning, little farmers. How are you?
Good.
Good morning, little farmers. How are you?
Good.
She's a pro now. It's time to start our day. We are here to learn and play. Good morning, little farmers. How are you?
Good.
Good job. All right, and we're going to go ahead and say the Pledge of Allegiance, okay? You ready? So stand up. Okay, so we're going to go. Reach high, reach low, march in place, let's go. Left hand, right hand, over your heart, let's start. Okay, and here is our flag. You want to hold it? Okay, ready? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Did we say that right?
Yes.
Did we?
Yeah, we did.
All right. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United. I'm out of practice. We're gonna say we did it right. Okay, let's put the flag down here.
Because they probably already know.
Yeah. Okay, so go ahead and get out this page that's in your packet. So these are things that you're going to circle in each row that are the smallest things. Okay, so the first row are our flowers. So, Lynette, which one do you think is the smallest flower?
What about this one?
That one is the smallest. Good job. And then we have our butterflies, and then we have another set of flowers. So, circle the smallest in each row, and then when you're done, you can flip it over. And now we're going to circle the largest in each row. So the first row are butterflies. Which one's the largest, Lynette?
This one.
She's teasing. Okay, which one is the largest? There, yeah, that's the largest. Okay, so go ahead and circle the largest in each row. And then after that, we're going to do some scissor cutting practice. And we've already done this once before, so let's take a seat right here. Okay, can you sit right there? So as you can see, Lynette already started hers. So if you take out this page, she's already begun doing this one and this one. So I guess, you know what, Lynette, since you have one more to do, you can go ahead and demonstrate. So you're going to start with the scissor side, and you're going to cut along all the way to the insects. Let's turn this way so everybody can see. Okay, I'm losing my voice because I've been talking so much because I've made the video already, and we have the cottonwood flying around, and it's really getting to me. Okay, but my other two granddaughters are taking a nap right now, so we're outdoors doing this. Oh, good job. All right, very good. So as you can see, she's done all three, so yours should look like this. Okay. Now we're going to transition into math. Oh, I'm really losing my voice. Oh my goodness. Hopefully I can finish this video before I do. So our math today is butterfly math, of course, since we're talking about butterflies this week. This is the last day of butterflies. All right, so Lynette's already written some numbers on the side. So let's go ahead and count the first row, Lynette. How many butterflies are there?
2.
Ready? Well, point your finger and count to them. Ready? 1, 2. So she wrote 2. And so go ahead and count the butterflies in each row and write the number. And then you can cut out all of these numbers, okay? Cut those out. And then you get to glue the numbers on top of the numbers that you already wrote, which are how many butterflies are in each row. Did you get warm? Okay, so have fun doing that. And let's see, what else did we have for math today? Did we have, oh, yes. So you have your popcorn math that is your find and cover, okay? So I would like you to do the 7 through 12 page today. So if you have your coins or your beans, then you're gonna start with number 7, and you're gonna find all the 7s and cover them up. And then all the 8s and cover them up on all the way to number 12, okay? So that way you can learn all your numbers. All right, now we're gonna move on into English or language arts.
They won't know thousands and stuff.
Oh, that's okay. They don't need to know thousands yet. Okay, so pre-K students, if you get out your popcorn sight words, the ones that you wrote on the popcorn buckets. Oh my goodness, I'm really losing my voice. Goodness gracious. Okay, so I don't remember what they all are because I don't have that page with me, but I know we have go. So get out your dry erase board, pre-K students, and write go, okay? And then you can erase that, and then you can write me, okay? And practice all your sight words, okay? So practice writing, you will learn them, and then that will be more words that you, if you've learned them all, then you can read more things, more books, okay? We're gonna read our book together today. Let's see, but also before we read our book, I would like you to do the roll and cover popcorn page with the foam cubes that I gave you, MNOPQR, okay? And then maybe tomorrow or in a couple days, you can do STUVWX, okay? So that we can get all of the letters practiced.
I don't think they can remember it because they're really fast.
Well, that's okay. Their parents are going to help them, I'm sure.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, though. Thank you for your concern. All right. So now we're going to go ahead and we are going to read our What's in Your Garden book. Okay. Can you be my helper, Lynette? All right. So we're going to go ahead and open it up to the first page. And so remember your reading finger, everybody. Ready? Ready? I can see some green grass. Good job. She's a pro because we've done this before. All right, ready? Reading finger? You ready?
Kelly's a pro.
You ready? I can see some pink flowers. Awesome job. You're so good. Thank you for being my helper. All right, reading finger. Okay. Okay. I can see a purple pot. Good job. And hopefully you guys have colored all your pages according to what color is on your page. Okay, ready? I can see an orange
Wagon.
wheelbarrow.
I guess I'm not a full pro at this.
Sure you are. Okay, ready? Reading finger. I can see a yellow beetle. Good job.
I I kind of read your mouth with the B.
Oh, you read my mouth with a B. I gave it away. All right, come on over here, helper. You ready? Reading finger. I can see a blue water can. Uh-oh. Oh, that's a surprise for later. Here, okay, you gotta hide it. Okay. Oh, it got a little windy here. Okay, gotta turn it to the worm page. Ready? Reading finger. Are you ready? Here we go. I can see a brown worm. The clue is the picture. You don't have to read my lips. Okay, ready? Reading finger. I can see a red and black ladybug. Good reading.
I actually read. I didn't actually.
Yeah. Last page, everybody. Here we go. I can see a rainbow. Awesome.
That was really short.
Yes, that is. Well, how did you do, everybody? I hope you did good. I bet you did. Are you learning to read with these?
Dud.
I said did. I didn't say dud. Oh, stop making fun of me. Okay. All right. So now we get to do some arts and crafts. Are you ready? All right. So if you take out this
No,
page.
I'm not ready.
Yeah. Okay. If you take this page out, you can get a coloring crayon or a couple coloring crayons, or markers are fine. And if you go ahead and you trace on the lines, okay, trace all the lines, and then you can go back through and color it all, okay, and then you've made yourself
Or you could
a beautiful
cut it
butterfly.
out when you're done.
Yes, you could cut it out when you're done if you would like, and then you can actually paste it or back it up on some cardstock or some construction paper if you want. I didn't include it, but that is a good idea. I should have did that. Very good. Okay, now you're probably wondering what these coffee filters are for. I gave you a marker. If you don't have markers, that's why I included a marker. If you don't have one, I included at least one. But if you have your own markers, that's fine. You can use your own colors, whatever you want. And I gave you some pipe cleaner. So what we're gonna do is, I've had Lynette go ahead and get your stuff over there. So what you're gonna do is take one of the, I put enough in your packet for 2 butterflies. So these are gonna be butterflies. So if you scribble with markers, whatever colors you want, hopefully they're beautiful colors. Go ahead and get them, get the whole tray. There you go.
Wait, there's not 2 though.
That's okay. All right, so this is what she came up with. Now, in a way, it kind of looks like a mess, doesn't it? But it's actually going to turn out really beautiful, and I'm going to show you how.
Like sunsets.
Oh, like sunsets? Okay.
Like in California Sunset Shimmer.
Oh, okay. So what you're going to do is after you have scribbled on here, okay, you can even do more scribbles than she did if you want, but it still will work out just fine. You'll take your blank one and you'll put it behind it. So now we're going to squirt it with some water, and after we've squirted all, this is actually going to look just like this. You don't have to scribble it twice. Okay, so we're going to show you how it's done. She's going to squirt some water on it. You're going to need a tray or a plate or something to put this on, okay? And then you're going to need it to dry it on some paper towels. So go ahead and give it a squirt. Squirt, squirt, squirt. All over, all over, all over. Good job. You're a good squirter.
It's upside down.
It's upside down?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Here, I'm going to turn it, and you can squirt some more. Get it pretty wet. Okay, and then the colors will begin to bleed or blend together.
Yeah,
and it's going to look kind of like tie-dye. Okay, I think we got enough now. All right, maybe just a little squirt up here. Okay. And there, and there, and there.
And
Okay, see, can you see how the colors are already starting to blend together? Look at that. It's kind of like our Earth Day craft that we did, right? Do you remember that with the red and the blue that we did of the Earth? Well, same kind of thing. Okay, let's check and see if the coffee filter underneath is gonna look like this one. Oops, I need 2 hands here. So what do you think, Lynette? Do you think it's gonna look the same?
No.
Oh my goodness. Cooperate.
I don't know.
Okay, so here I have separated them. Look at
Oh,
that.
that one looks really good.
Yeah.
Like my boots.
Okay, so now we're gonna put it on some paper towels to dry. Okay, so go ahead and set that over there. And then when it dries, it's going to look something like this. Now I used different colors and I did this ahead of time. That's okay, go put that over there. Okay, so you're gonna have your dried pieces and now we're gonna fold it back and forth. There's about a 3/4 of an inch or an inch, okay? Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. No yawning on camera, lady. Nobody wants to see inside your mouth.
No.
Okay, so now you're going to take the second one and do the same thing. See, it's going to look kind of like an accordion, so watch. So you're going to fold it, fold it.
Looks really pretty.
Okay, so you're going to have 2 flat pieces and put them together like this, okay? And they're all folded back and forth. Now you're going to take the pipe cleaner that I put in there. Now remember, I put in enough for you to make 2 butterflies if you want, okay? But you can use your own colors if you have your own markers. All right, and so we're going to take the pipe cleaner and go ahead and twist it on. And so Lynette already did this before. So what she did here, give me your finger and demonstrate. So here we go. So she wrapped this around her finger, okay, to make the antenna. Oh my goodness, it's getting all tangled up. Okay, and then she's gonna slip her finger out. Okay, let's do this one a little better. That's okay. Okay, ready? Here we go, round and round and round, and slip your finger out. Okay, now we got 2 antennas, and now we're gonna fold out the wings, and it's going to be so beautiful. You're gonna love it. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Did you guys have fun doing that? I hope so. That was such a fun thing, huh? And when yours dries, you can put yours together and take it home.
Mine did dry.
Okay,
Yeah, but
good.
not the other one.
Yeah, okay. Well, I hope you guys had so much fun doing our butterfly unit. And I know most of you saw the butterflies already, and it's going to be so fun. Did I already mention this, that I wanted to let the pre-K students take it home, or was that on the last video?
That was on the other video.
Was it on the other video?
Yeah.
So most of you have been here to pick up your packets and saw the butterflies. There's 7 butterflies, and there's 7 pre-K students. Now, I know this doesn't apply to the Little Tots class, but since you're going to be here next week, for graduation, my pre-K students, I thought each one of you would be able to set one free out into the world, okay? Won't that be cool? That'll be fun. Awesome. No, thumbs up, thumbs up. So that'll be awesome. Now, if you don't want to hold the butterfly, don't freak out. I won't make you hold the butterfly if you don't want to. Excuse me. But we'll just like gently put the butterfly on like a little pot of flowers or something. If you want to hold it, that's fine, and you can put it on the flowers or whatever until it just kind of flutters away. Okay, so that'll be so much fun. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much, Lynette, for being my helper. And next week we're gonna do ladybugs. Okay, so everybody have a great day, have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. That's not nice. How about some thumbs up? All right, can you say goodbye to everybody?
Bye.
All right, have a great day.